Hey friends, we are here to do Mini Madness and hopefully finish. I'm so excited. We're putting $50 in here, and this money is coming just from a buffer in my bank account. I have been under budgeting my paychecks just by a little bit. You know, I'd prefer to do that than over budget and not have enough money for everything. So every 2 or 3 paychecks, it kind of builds up a little bit. And if you've been with me for a while, you know I don't like to keep a big buffer in my bank account because it gets spent. So I'd rather put this money to good use, transfer it to savings, and then it's gone. I only try to keep a few dollars. Like I'm talking like $5, $10, $20 in my bank account as a buffer because, again, I just spend it because that's just who I am. So $50 into Mini Madness. I don't know if it's going to be enough. I'm hoping it's enough. I'm hoping we have extra, but we will see. And let's go ahead and count this up. This should be 50. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Perfect. $50. Again, I like to do this Mini Madness in small bills and pull them as I go, and then the 50 is what's actually going to go in the binder. So we'll set that 50 aside. We'll put the 2s and the 1s here, and let's get going. You guys, today is Monday, September 16th. It's actually my 2-year anniversary on YouTube. I can't believe I've been doing this for 2 years. It's kind of nuts to me, but so awesome. I love that. And I have over 350 videos. So if you're new here and you feel like binging, be my guest. I have tons of content. And if you are new here, just so you know kind of how I picked my channel name, The Thrifty Sewist, I always had the idea to have like a dual, like to do 2 things on my channel, sewing videos and budgeting videos. And my channel actually started out with sewing videos, but I eventually dropped those because they were just too much work and they really didn't get the views. So I do have sewing videos, early on, but I did drop those. So that's why I call myself the Thrifty Sewist. All right, let's get into this. So this is Espresso Yourself. This is a binder available in my shop. And by the way, I do have a sale going on in the Etsy shop right now. It's good until September 21st. So, if there's anything you're looking to pick up, feel free. This is on sale as well. And I am working on a couple new Etsy items, you guys. It's just a couple binders. So it's going to be a really small drop, but I'm hoping to get that to you as soon as possible. And yeah, so let's go. So this binder has 11 challenges in it. It does not come numbered like this. I actually just number this for the purpose of Mini Madness. So just so you know. And I finished quite a few of these already. And actually, now that I'm remembering, I am not using this today. I'm just going to kind of go through and try to finish the challenges that aren't completed yet. So let's actually just go ahead and get started. Like I said, I'm hoping to finish this today, but I have no idea if I'll be able to. All right, so we're starting here with challenge number 5, and let's get going. So let me know what you all have been up to this past week. I did not have content, I'll be honest. I had no money to film anything. I had no content to film, and so that's why I was missing a video here and there. I think just once. So I like to put my videos out every other day if I can, if I have enough content. And so far, I've been pretty lucky to do that my entire YouTube journey. I never, ever stated, a filming schedule, a video schedule for myself because I thought that would be too much pressure to have to try to stick to something that I kind of promised. So I never put that out there, but all throughout, I have been trying to do videos every other day. And this past week, I just wasn't able to. Again, I just really didn't have any content to film, no money, anything like that. But we're back on it. I have a cash stuffing and savings challenge stuffing later this week. I am potentially going to have a side hustle stuffing, although I don't know. And then you guys, I actually won some money at bingo, so I'm going to put that into savings challenges. So yay! So the videos are flowing, baby. All right, so the last one on here is $1, and I don't know what it is, but these are just so satisfying to scratch. I think it's because like on the lamination, it's just awesome. So I'm actually going to go through and exchange some of these 1s for 2s. Again, I never really know like what denominations to get out, so I'm going to do some exchanging along the way, but we finished number 5. So let's go here to number 6. And let me know how your weekend was. I'm trying to think what we even did. I can't think of what I did 5 minutes ago, let alone this weekend, but I did actually just post like a little kind of DIY fall garland with a tension rod. So if you're interested in that, go check it out. It's just a short, quick little video, and I don't love how it turned out. I do say this in the video, but I do think it adds a nice little pizzazz and a nice kind of cozy fall feeling to our new house. And so, you know, I'm here for that for sure. We don't have too much furniture there yet, so it's hard to like decorate because I don't have anything to kind of like put decorations on. But you know, where I am able to, I do have some decorations up. Okay, so again, we're just kind of going through and seeing what we can finish. So I'm not going to roll. I'm just going to, you know, color these in and stuff the money. So we have $2 and $4 and $7 $8 and $9. So this page is going to be $9 that we're adding. And yeah, I don't even know what else to say right now. So let me grab the $9. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. And let's see what else we got going on here. Okay, so challenge number 8. So with this one, you have your different kind of coffees, and it tells you what, how much to save for each. So this one here is a latte, so that's going to be $1. And then we have an espresso for $2. We have a cold brew for $3. And then for our last one, it's another espresso for $2. Let me come back and exchange 2 of these ones for a $2 bill. You guys, I have a new budget planner that's going to be released very soon. This one's finished and I'm so excited about it. Number 10's done. Oh my God, you guys, we literally have 3 more rolls and then this is finished. So let's roll the dice, and I could be cheap and use the 1 through 3, but I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna use the 6-sided die because I think I have enough money here to cover 3 rolls, even if I get 3 6s. Well, I don't know. Let's just see how this goes. All right, a 1, I could handle that. So 1, and then, ooh, another 1. Okay, I'm liking this. And then finally a 5. Okay, you guys, do you see what just happened? We just finished Mini Madness and we have money left. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is really exciting. All right, let me get some of this stuff out of the way. Let me scoot these scratch off shavings over, and let's do this. Let's see how much this is, and then I'm gonna grab my prop money box here and just condense this a little bit. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 4, 6, 8, 30, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So let me grab 38, 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so $38 is going to go in here. Let me put this money off to the side so I don't confuse myself. And we don't need this 50 now because we aren't putting the full 50 in here. But let's grab this and see how much money we ended up with. Ah, yes! Now remember, if you get this binder, however much you save is going to be different than how much I save because of the roll and saves. So whatever is here is not necessarily what you're going to save with this binder. So in total, we have 100 and 50, 70, 90, 210, 225, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, $241. Ah, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm really excited. So before we take care of this extra money, let's go ahead and put this money where it belongs. I have been saving this for a purpose. And if you've been here before, you already know what it is. And it is this. So I have been working on this $1,000 savings challenge for a long time, and I'm excited to put a big chunk of money in it. This book is made by me. It's a 25 low income savings challenge book. It has lots of different challenges in it. It is available on Amazon. It is linked below if you're interested. So this again is the one I have been working on. Now, you all know the deal with this if you've been here before, but just in case you don't, I unstuffed this a couple times, and because these are already colored in, the way I kind of notated for myself that I unstuffed this is everything I unstuffed, I put a little black dot next to, and then as I restuff it, I just white out the little black dot. So let's see how close we can get to whiting out these dots, and if we can color something in today, that would be amazing. All right, so $100. I'm just gonna kind of go like this because that way I don't make a mistake. So each of these clouds are 20 and each raindrop is 10. So we're gonna do 100. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then if I'm doing this weird, I'm sorry. 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh my gosh, you guys. 20, 40, 60, 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And doing it like this kind of builds up the anticipation too of if I'm going to get all of these whited out or not. So 5, 10, 15, 10. Okay, wait. That's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I already did 10, and then this one is 20. So we only have $1 left. So we're short by 3. And I think what I'm going to do, because I don't want to just put $1 in here, is I'm just going to take this $1 and carry it over to whatever I'm going to do with these, with this leftover money. And then, yeah. Hopefully that makes sense. And hopefully it makes sense the way I did that. Okay. But you guys, we have $30 more to put in here until we can finally start coloring again. Well, actually 40, but I'm so excited. Okay. Let me grab the binder. It's been a while since I stuffed this. So let's see where we're at. All right, so all together in the $1,000 challenge, we have 100, 200, 250, 70, 90, 310, 330, 350, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 420. We're almost halfway there, you guys. Oh, yes, yes. Now, I could just put this extra money in there too, but I'm not going to do that. Let's see what we have left. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12, $13. So it's not much, but I already think I want to just come and do some of the ones that, you know, that are my immediate priorities. Let me just grab my other binder just to see what's in here. Fair, I believe we're pretty much there with this, and I do have another savings challenge stuffing to finish this, so I'm gonna skip this one today. Medical, I think that's probably it in here. The tattoo. No, I'm not going to do that. So what I'm going to come here and do, I think maybe I'll just put it all in here. So I have the consignment sale also, but again, I still have like 2 more paychecks to stuff this, and I made a note for myself, $58. So we're going to work on this one. So this previously was the fall fun money. I had it labeled fall fun. Now I'm taking all of this money out. I took half of the money out yesterday for bingo. And then this money is actually coming out tomorrow. We're going to see a card reader, myself and my mother-in-law, and I'm using this money for that. So that's still fall fun. It's the fall and it's going to be fun. So that's what this money is for. But I am starting a new challenge, and this is going to be saved for the Halloween party that we're having in October. And so, yeah, that's what we're going to do. So we have this Boo Ha Ha challenge from Liz over at Liz and Less. I love it, and it's perfect to save for a Halloween party. And let's see, the lower numbers total 50, the higher numbers total 100, but if you do all of the numbers, it's 150. So I'm going to aim for doing all of the numbers, and we'll see if I can get there by mid-October. I only have a couple paycheck stuffings, so I'm just going to do what I can. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bucks. So let's see what we can do with $13. Let's do 10 and 3. All right, so we're going to do this little guy with his little pillow. He's a sleepy guy. And then we're going to do this guy, and he's yelling, hi. All right, or maybe he's yelling boo because he's a ghost, but I think he's yelling hi. All right, so there we go. We got our 2 little ghosties, and I love how she did like the gray like offset outline, because they just blend so seamlessly into this background sheet here. And yes, I love it. So we got 2 of those started. Let's put in the money. And again, 13 bucks to start this off. Yes. I don't know if I'll need 150 for the party. I mean, probably. It's really easy to spend that, right? Groceries are expensive. And I think I'm going to put this money in the back, and then the real cash in the front, because again, I'm going to be grabbing that tomorrow to use. But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much. You are making this possible, okay? Because I have been doing Mini Madness with some Etsy money and things like that. And so without you, I would not have been able to finish this. And just please know, I am so, so grateful for you today and every day. I'm so happy and honestly proud of myself to have been on YouTube for 2 whole years. To have over 300 videos, I think, is just a huge accomplishment. And again, I wouldn't be here without you keeping me accountable, without all of your support, you know, you watching the videos, because if nobody watched my videos, I wouldn't be making them anymore. So a huge, huge, huge thank you from the bottom of my heart to each and every one of you. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.